Alright guys, I got a first look at a Lisle stepped pickle fork kit. As you can see, the part number 41400. So let's open it up and take a look at it. Now they say these are made in the USA. I can't really find anything on the package or the tool that say they're made in the USA, but either way, I'm going to assume right now that they are made in the USA. Alright, so you know what? Let's just lay everything out here. Let's take it out of the package so we can just take a closer look at each piece of this kit. Okay. Now let's look at this first. Those are all the pieces that you get with it. You got the pneumatic driver, 3 different sizes of the step fork, and then the handle. I think that's if you just want to use it by itself without the air hammer. So there's that. Alright, and then we'll just take a close look at this. As you can see, they're stepped right there. I think that's for when you're driving them in or wedging them in, then they'll have less of a tendency to back out on you. They'll pretty much get past these steps and then they'll just bite on there or hang on there to where you can just keep on going up or going farther into whatever you're trying to separate. So there we go. Now I have heard or read some reviews out there to where the very ends tend to break off. We'll see. And I can kind of see how that could or would happen, but you know what? I thought I'd give these a try. If they fail me, then I'll let you guys know, and we might have to look at something else. But for right now, I'm going with this. And like I said, you got 2 other sizes here. Take a look at those. Ugh. Tell you what, whenever you know, that's one thing I noticed. It was kind of weird, but whenever you bump these against each other, they make a really loud ringing noise. And I'm not gonna do that on camera, but yeah. Alright, so there's the handle. This threads into there. A little rough. I haven't put any grease or anything on it, so yeah, so that's that. And the piece that you use for the air hammer, obviously, this goes on the air hammer. This threads into the different pieces, so all you get is some warnings here. Ear protection, do not allow release of coil, spring, blah, 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 whatever. But anyway, yeah, there it is. I gave you the part number. You can see all the pieces here. I got this on sale also from Zorro with that 20% off. I think I paid like, was it 40 bucks, something like that. So yeah, all right. So now on their site they say it's made in the USA. So like I said, I'm not seeing it on the package, but I'm gonna assume that it is made in the USA. You know, they show this down here, but whatever. But, all right, there it is. Let me know if you guys have this out there, if you used it, if you've had success with it, or if it's failed on you as well. But either way, I'd like to hear about it. Like, subscribe. I'll catch you later.